What's your favorite part of your job?
I also work at Cambridge Community Television to run youth media programs. The most rewarding part of my job now, like working with youth programs, is really giving like small advice and then like equipment and space for teens like yourselves to make stuff. I think that's so amazing because at a certain point, I feel like I don't have to worry about what my students are going to make. It's just seeing their ideas take form, and then I get to just be like, oh, this is cool, or like give little advice here, a little advice there. I used to like make videos for different schools or nonprofits, stuff like that. Like, you only get to work with the people for like a short period of time usually, but it's nice to work with students like over the period of a school year, or even like more intensely like over a summer program. I did just start in my job, so I am like learning a lot of things still, but yeah, I think the most rewarding part is like getting to know the students and yeah, having that relationship.